So, what's for dinner tonight?
Chicken and kale.
Sounds good. So this is our meal prep position. This is kind of how we usually have set up. We usually have it in seat mode. Sit side by side. It gives us more than enough room to get to the stove and all of the counter space. But yeah, tonight we're having tandoori chicken that's not cooked in a tandoori, so it's cast iron pan chicken.
Quick tandoori.
Quick tandoori. And sautéed kale. Nutritious, simple, delicious.
So we're just gonna do one pan style, right?
I'd say, yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Like... There we go. Right, you take care of that. Okay.
Oh.
What?
You said K, I said O.
KO.
Kale.
Oh. Okay. What do you want to do with it? I'm gonna hand it to you.
You're gonna spoil your dinner.
You will.
No, I'm not.
You do a lot. You do a lot, more than you realize. There's lots of times where I can't finish my food and I expect you to. And then you can't.
It's not my job to take care of your eyes being bigger than your belly.
It feels good to blow your nose. Don't you think? Like, don't
Of course
you?
it would, because if you can't breathe through your nose,
No,
feels
not
good to
only
free
just
that up.
that, but it just like, just to have that congestion, like,
exactly.
it's not even about breathing, it's just the feeling of getting it out.
So it's less the feeling of blowing your nose, it's more the feeling of getting rid of the congestion.
It's the feeling of getting a blockages out.
Blockages. Being able to breathe.
No, just not having like a snotty nose. I just don't like that feeling. I don't know who would, but
Yeah, pretty sure there's not a group of people lining up to.
kids might like it. The kids who like to eat their snot.
No, those kids don't like to eat their snot. They only eat it because it's there.
No, there's for sure kids who like to eat their snot. 100%. I've seen it.
Those kids are gross, and I guarantee I didn't used to be one.
I wasn't either.
See that mud right there?
From you?
Nope.
What?
You know whose mud that is?
Not me.
Foresty Forests.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I've been meaning to wipe it up, but...
No, like scrape it up and sell it.
Black market. Boot mud from Foresty Forest
Yeah.
boots.
Get a bid going.
It's famous, but I'm not sure he's that famous.
You never know.
Yeah. Oh, it scratched the middle of my back. Yeah, down.
Can I go under this jacket?
Yes, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's way better there. Down, right there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Up a little. Oh, up high now. Yeah, okay, down again.
Shouldn't have gone under your shirt, though.
Oh, down further. Right there. Left. Oh, right.
Are you saying...
Left.
Are you
Well, I mean to move left a little, not to like go from the one side to the other side. Okay, go up to my shoulder blades. Oh yeah. Should bring that windshield wiper scraper back here, and I can use that as my...
What we need to get is one of those back scratchers that they always sell in like Princess Auto or Canadian Tire. Like, you know that little tiny one I have? Like that
Oh
teeny...
yeah, that's... you can't even scratch anything with that, you'll
Exactly.
break it. Okay, I thought you were going to say you need those.
I'm saying like, no, that little tiny one, but you get that like, the decent one now. There's something on my hand. But yeah, you get that decent one.
What does it look like again?
Like this.
So show me.
Like that. The one I have is like it's the size of my pinky probably, and it's just
it's
like
a
that.
newborn monkey. It's
Yeah.
tiny. It's like this big.
It's all they had back in the 90s, I guess. I don't know.
I'm going to guess someone had built a bigger back scratcher than that.
I don't know. I don't even know where Mom and Dad would have gotten it from, but as a kid I was tickled pink with it though.
It is small enough to tickle.
Mm-hmm.
but not scratch.
So I'm gonna say something perverted.
You can always edit it later.
You want some of this? Yeah? Well, this is the last bit.
You eat it all without me?
Oh, no. Oh, yuck. I don't like that.
Should have come up with a better solution before I got that idea in my head.
You're supposed to just take it with your fingers.
Why would I do that when it's already on a perfectly lickable finger?
So you think this is done?
I'd say yeah.
Okay. Okay. I might have given you too much. I'll just eat some off your plate after.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Oh, kombucha.
Oh, shoot. I'm gonna show you how. Just, you can leave mine there if you want, yeah.
Tonka.
That's annoying thing about having long legs is it doesn't make a nice table.
Well, we've got to get this table built.
Yeah. You still hungry?
Why?
You want to gnaw on that?
Sure. It's a good thing I didn't spoil my dinner. Gnaw on that. Like I'm some kind of animal. Maybe let's boil a little bit of water so we can at least rinse and get the greasiness off.
You know what I found works really good? Take a wet wipe, clean all the dishes that way, and then the next day you could just rinse them off. I'm not saying that's totally sanitary, but
Foresty Forest wipes his meat off with baby wipes.
it worked really good though. It might be easier than boiling water at this point.
I can start calling this the champagne of the Rockies.
Why have the Rockies?
Because we're in the Rockies.
But we have it at home all the time too.
Yeah, we're close enough to the Rockies. As a gift. Should I get a wet wipe out?
Sure.
And the thing is that it has to be washed because there is isopropyl alcohol on those. So we can't eat from it until it's washed.
It does work really good at cutting grease though.
Yep.
Wouldn't a lot of this just evaporate though too?
Yeah, I think there's residue that's not healthy. But I don't know, maybe. Not really game for trying this far from the hospital. What's the rest of the time?
Transdermally, does it do anything? What?
Probably like a little bit, but hardly. It is just like, it's almost like it's been washed.
I know. It's amazing, right? So I was saying, when I did the dishes like this, and like the next day I would just give them a good rinse. I didn't even use soap. And I'm fine.
You want to pass me that kettle?
There's 2 plates there. I'll show you how.
See Jupiter up there. Just get out the binoculars to see how many of its moons we can see. Fire?
Sure.
Wind seems to have picked up a little bit though. Well,
Do you want to save the fire for tomorrow, or do you want to do it tonight?
no, I'm thinking let's skip it.
Skip
With
it
as
tonight?
windy as it is out there right now, yeah.
So we can set up the bed then?
I'd say so.
Okay.
I'm almost saying let's drive back to Nordegg so we can get some sweet treats.
Sweet treats.
Dessert.
How far away is Nordegg?
20 minutes.
It's 40 minutes of driving just to...
You can stay here.
No thanks.
Oh, sometimes I don't even know what to do with myself, how funny I am. 43 minutes, darn.
Ugh, yeah. It's way too far. You'll be okay. There.
Barely. Okay, push my back again. Right in the middle.
In the middle?
Yes, right. Yeah. Down a little. Oh, back up a little. Oh, now my shoulder blades. Other one. Oh, yeah. Right more. Down. Down. Right more. Down. Down. Up. You're missing it.
Oh my god.
Okay. Good enough. Pew.
Oh, that reeks. Oh.
What do they call it again?
Sewer?
Mercaptan.
Mercaptan?
Yep.
What do you mean?
That's what they add to propane to make it smell.
Huh. I think I'm gonna change this. Oh god, don't! Can you not?
What are you talking about? Can I not what?
Stop!
Oh, my hands are cold.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Let the harassment begin. Okay. Okay. Can you not?
It's too tempting and warm.
No.
Plus, look at that $1 million smile. I can tell you love it. Oh, yeah,
Please.
yeah. Okay. Please do it some more?
No.
Oh, you said please.
I'm not saying that kind of please. What's wrong?
It's like you're dressing to go on a winter expedition. You're crawling into down blankets.
Matters little. Still want to be warm through the night. What?
Perfect timing. Actually, your legs aren't really any warmer than my hands.
No.
This is all on video, by the way.
No one's gonna see it but us.
Oh, that's what you think. This is going to be what's going to make it go viral. Well, we've got our bed set up. We've got our window coverings in. We do not have our furnace on. I think it's going to be -5 or -10 tonight. But these will keep us warm enough. If you want to know about our blankets, look for another video. We have it there, and we talk about what we use, which is really simple and super warm. Anyways, we're going to go to sleep. Play some video games.
Video games.
Nighty night. Well, word games.
Crossword games.
Yeah.